Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to cover an important topic, which is how you can delete your Instagram ID. So you can delete your Instagram ID permanently, or you can also delete it temporarily. So Instagram has basically provided those links in their help center, but you just don't have to search it because I have provided those links in my description. So basically you can find two kind of links in my description. So first one is for temporary deletion of your account, but the second link is for permanent deletion of your account. So you can just choose it according to your situation. I have chosen the second link, which is for permanent deletion of my account. So I have created a sample account which I want to delete permanently now. So first of all I have to put my login info in here. So then I have to put the password. After that press enter, and you can see I have logged in successfully. You can see after that you can find this kind of tab right here, and I have to choose the reason why I want to delete my account permanently. So Instagram is asking to re-enter my password for verification. After that I have a notice here that I won't be able to use this account, and if I have changed my mind, then I can just come back in a month or so, I guess. So after that you have to delete your account and then click OK. So you can see your account will be deleted on May 30, 2022. So today is I guess 30th April 2022. So Instagram is giving us 1 month in case we change our mind and we want to have that account back. So in that case we can just log in our account and it will not be deleted permanently.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures, they can get so bitter. Show you want to until you can turn back. You